Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Passport with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. You'll feel it click into place. This prepares the car for the next step, ensuring a smooth and secure start every time you drive. It's a simple but crucial first action. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise to the on position. This powers up your vehicle's electrical systems and accessories. You'll see various dashboard lights illuminate, which is normal. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. This step primes your Honda Passport for ignition, getting it ready to go. Now, turn the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine cranks and starts. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key. It will spring back to the on position automatically. This prevents overcranking and protects your starter motor, ensuring a long lifespan for your vehicle's components. After your Honda Passport engine starts, check your dashboard again. All warning lights should now be off, indicating everything is functioning correctly. Give the engine a few seconds to circulate oil before driving, especially in colder weather. You're now ready to safely operate your vehicle. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.